Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. Expect some breezy days ahead here in the valley. Windy conditions across northern Arizona, but we're also tracking some cooler changes as we bring in a couple storm systems. That storm system moving in tomorrow will bring us a chance for rain, and there's even snow chances in parts of our state. Now, today we're tracking a storm system that's primarily impacting states to our north. That's where all the rain and snow will be. But tomorrow we've got an area of low pressure diving south out ahead of it. It's going to pull in some more moisture, so moisture increases these next couple of days, and tomorrow we've got that chance for rain here in the valley. Yeah, finally some chances. Now winds will be a big part of this too. Up north, expect those wind gusts to still continue to peak near 40 miles an hour in spots, especially along the eastern Mogollon Rim. For the valley, our wind gusts will peak right around that 25 to 30 mile an hour mark both today and also tomorrow. So tomorrow will be another day of those gusty winds as that next disturbance rolls on in, and tomorrow's winds could be a bit stronger across our state in comparison to yesterday. So here's the forecast for today. Those winds in the breezy range for the valley, gusts near 25 miles an hour for northern Arizona today, gusts near 35 miles an hour for spots like Flagstaff. But again, it's that eastern rim where those gusts could be a little stronger. And tomorrow, expect those wind speeds to increase just a bit across northern Arizona and here in the valley too. Our gusts peaking as high as 30 miles an hour. Areas well to our southwest could get slightly stronger wind gusts, and because of that, we'll have to watch for some areas of blowing dust, especially south and southwest of the valley. Now today we are under fire alerts, red flag warnings for the eastern Mogollon Rim, also for southeast Arizona, as we are still looking at very dry conditions. And with those dry conditions across eastern Arizona and those strong wind gusts, the fire danger is high, and the fire danger will continue to be high for areas around the tinder fire and where the tinder fire is burning. Peak gusts will be as high as 35 miles an hour, so that's what firefighters will be dealing with there. Now the bit of good news is that temperatures will be a little cooler for them today in comparison to yesterday, and by tomorrow that relative humidity will also bump up a bit for those fire crews. Tomorrow we will be under fire weather alerts in southeast Arizona, but again, northern Arizona gets a little bit more moisture, so we likely won't see those fire alerts, even though wind gusts will still be on the strong side. Futurecast will show you that today we see some high clouds across the valley, especially going into this evening, but it'll be dry today. Dry tomorrow morning too, but by tomorrow afternoon into the evening, you can see we have that chance for showers and even a few thunderstorms as the atmosphere heats up. That moisture in place, we could see some pop-up storms. The best potential will be over the higher terrain in our state, especially over the mountains north and east of the valley, but we could see a few thunderstorms here in the valley too going into Tuesday night. You'll notice too that once that colder air moves in, we see that rain transition over to snow, and there's a snow potential over the higher terrain with those snow levels dropping, with the chance for snow showers along the Mogollon Rim continuing into early Wednesday morning. The White Mountains have that snow chance through the day on Wednesday. So for the valley, just a 10% chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow into Wednesday. For the high country, it's snow as those snow levels drop to around 6,500 feet. Flagstaff likely getting less than an inch of snow, but we could see slightly higher amounts just west of Flagstaff. Williams potentially up to 2 inches of snow by Wednesday morning. Temperatures today cooler, as we only see those highs in the mid to upper 80s, putting us below the average for this time of year. 30-year average is now 90. We'll top out at 87 today, 72 in Sedona, 66 in Show Low. Overnight tonight, those lows cooling off into the 50s and 60s here in central Arizona, with 30s for lows in spots like Flagstaff. Should be a nice and cool morning to kick off our Tuesday. A lot of upper 50s to low 60s. And as you look at that 7-day forecast, tomorrow's high only 82 degrees, and it'll be even cooler on Wednesday. Wednesday, a high of only 76 degrees, but the cool down not lasting beyond that, because by Thursday, Friday, we start to warm things back up, and this weekend, those triple digits, they're back.